Hi guys, charity shop time. We're outside. Well, we've got the washing on the lines because we need the water butt, which has refilled. It was beginning to look a bit sorry, but we had a bit of rain and it's filled it back up again, which is handy. Anyway, why are we outside? Got a couple of bath time toys. And because we've been in a drought situation, I don't want to go and fill the bath or the paddling pool and waste water, so we're going to use this water. I can use my hat camera, so I've got both hands free, and we'll give them a try. Right then, so this one looks like a canoe. Pull cord to wind it up. Okay, and then this one has got little wheels underneath, or paddles. So, let's give this one a try first. Oh yeah, that one works fine. Well, that's quite satisfying, because if you've watched lots of my bath time toy videos, quite a few of them have been quite disappointing. But that one certainly works. There is something written under there. I'll see if I can get a picture of it so we can see what it says. I think it says something like Munchkins. So we'll have a look at that, see if we can actually identify what it says. That water's warm. Right, this one definitely doesn't have a manufacturer name under it. It's got a number. Looks like 212. Not quite so good. No, that's not going to sit upright. Well, that's a shame. Yeah, that is a shame. It's obviously not balanced right. Looks like it could work if it stayed upright. I suppose I could try adding some weight to it, see if we can get it to sit the right way up. So I'll just give this one more go, and then I'll see if I can get some weight on that. Yeah, that one's absolutely fine, isn't it? Right, I'll go and get some weight. Right, done a very technical modification. I hope it won't sink actually. We'll have to see. I've just super glued or CA glued a nail to the bottom of it. Try and hold it the right way up. May have overdone it. Well, I'll give it a try. I'll get the water out of it so it sits on top. We'll give it a go. Nope. That looks to me like it wants to sink. to make that longer, so it's got less tilt on it. Probably end up sinking it. I'll attach something to it. Well, I think I've cracked it. It's never going to work in a bath for bath time toy, but I've added an extremely long keel. It's just a plastic strip with the nail cut in half now, so it's still glued to the base there, and the other end is down there, so it now holds it upright. So I'll put the hat back on again and we'll try it again. There we are, forward motion. Sitting a bit low in the water, but it is working. So not practical anymore as a bath time toy, but I'm happy. That's definitely going forwards now. But this one's definitely the winner, isn't it? No problem with that one at all. Right, that's Grandad Plays with Bath Time Toys again. Job done.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.